Hey, good morning. Welcome to the Liquid Arts channel. Today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter on a W204 chassis Mercedes. And this will work on 2007 to 2014s. And this covers W204, which is the C-Class Mercedes. It's pretty easy to do. Anybody can do it. And if you've just bought your C-Class used, or you're thinking, hey, I've never changed this filter, this is probably a good time to do it. Pretty simple. Here's all the stuff you're going to need. Flat screwdriver. Also grab a Torx. And if you don't have a set of these, you can get these as screwdrivers or sockets, or you can get little drill bits for your impact driver. But you're going to need a T20, and that just calls out the size. You're going to need a good flashlight because we're going to get underneath the glove box area in the passenger side, and naturally you're going to need a replacement filter. Try to get a good brand. This is one of the better ones, but there's a lot of different stuff out there. Try not to go too cheap, because then you're not sure exactly what you're going to get. Okay, now I'm starting to remember why I didn't make this video earlier. It's a little cramped under here. I'm underneath the, kind of in the footwell, underneath the glove box right now. And you're looking for this plastic panel here. You can see your glove box here. So then come underneath. Starting on the left side, you're going to be looking for these Torq screws. These are the T20s. There's one here. Looks like there's one here. And one over here to the right of your courtesy light. So you can take those three screws out. I'm not going to explain how to do that. Hopefully you know how to take screws out. And you're going to pull this panel down. And there's also a wire connected to this light that you may want to disconnect so that you can pull this whole panel out. At some point, also take out your floor mat, and you're probably going to flip down your carpet in the front. Flip your carpet forward, it'll come right down, and that'll give you access to the filter that's inside here. So I'm going to take the screws out, and then I'll come right back and take a look and see what's in there. All right, here's a little professional tip for you. Take your floor mat out, put it right here. That gives you something to sit on or lean on, and keeps you off the concrete. So let's take a look here. I pulled the carpet piece down. I've taken the three screws out, as you can see. Now the panel's loose. So you can start pulling it down, and you can disconnect this light right here if you want to. I usually try to leave it in there. And now we're looking back in here. Here is the actual filter right here. It looks kind of funny. And you're upside down, so it's even more difficult. On each end, you'll see a little clip. And you can get those off with a flat screwdriver. Don't lose the clip, because I'm not sure. Sometimes the new filters come with clips, sometimes they don't. So hang on to those. There's one on the back side over here too. That's the hard one to get to. I'm going to flip those off with a flat screwdriver, and then you'll be looking good, ready to take this filter out. So we're going to try to take a video of this. It's not going to be easy. Stick your screwdriver in there and just flick it down top to bottom. Just that easy. Let's look at this clip real quick. When you put these back on, hook this bottom piece in, and then it kind of clips on the top. So start with the bottom, and then it kind of clips on the top. You can see it's a little bit rounded on the top. So if you start with the top and try to do the bottom, it won't work. So bottom, hook it, and then push this little tiny piece, flick it on there. That's it. Okay, let's get back in there and grab that filter. Okay, so now you've got this little slide, and you slide that one direction, and then you can pull that filter all the way out. And once you pull it out, grab your new filter, do the reverse, you're all set. Some of these even come with instructions, which is a little bit helpful if it's your first time putting these filters in. Good luck. Thank you.